Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I wanted to show you a couple different ways of how I draw in a remodeling plan, how I draw filling in existing walls where there used to be an opening. Let's take a look. Before we get into today's tip, I want to remind you about the opportunity you have to support me in this channel and this information that I bring each week. Check out my Patreon page to see the different levels that if you find value in this, if you've had help, I would appreciate the encouragement. Would you share the price of a cup of coffee with me each month? Higher levels also have the opportunity for support and help along the way. Check out what fits for you. Okay, in today's tip, as I said, I'm going to show you a couple different ways how I use my template to fill in spaces where there used to be a door or a window. In this case here that I'm looking at in the middle of my screen, there used to be a door from the garage in, and we've moved it around the corner. There also used to be a door into the bathroom here where we have the sink. In these cases, I have selected to make a hatch pattern. So in my toolbar, I've gone ahead and customized my toolbar to add the hatch walls. You can also do build wall, hatch wall in the menu. Now when you hatch a wall, it fills the entire wall with that hatch. So I'm just going to click on the hatch and drag it. In other videos, you can see how I've referenced the existing plan to have this gray dashed door, because this isn't actually a CAD line anymore. It's a reference plan. So I'm going to hatch this wall also and just drag it to the end of. So let me do this slower here. Click once to hatch. Click again to select the hatch, and just move that hatch to its appropriate space. Now once I've hatched all the spaces that used to be openings, whether that's doors or windows, I will, I'm going to hit escape, and then I'm going to shift in my hatch mode here. I'm going to shift and drag over the whole plan to select all the hatches. That way I don't have to do this more than once. And I'm going to hit Command E. I'm on a Mac, so if you're on a PC, it's Control E to open the wall hatch specification. Instead of strip, I want solid, and I'm going to make it the solid blue. So that's going to highlight the places that need to be filled in. The other way we can do this, and I've done this before as well with these two situations, where I'm going to go ahead and just build a new wall for the pocket door, and this wall for the where there used to be a 7-foot opening. I'm going to delete this and just pull this down. Don't need that. All right. So here you can see where there used to be, this is going to come down here. We'll get it set up properly. Okay. So right here and right here, you can see where the doorway, the cased opening used to be, that we are actually removing and infilling. So I'm going to hit Command B on my keyboard. If you're on the PC, it's Control B for break, wall break. You can do the same thing again, build wall, break wall. I'm going to break it here at the casing, and because of my external reference plan, I know exactly where that cased opening is. I can select this wall that I've broken I'm going to open using the menu down here and just change my wall type. So you can do two different ways. You can fill in the space using a hatch wall pattern and resize the hatch to the space that's being filled in. Or you can break the wall and use a different wall type in that space, as we've done here in front of us. I hope this tip has been helpful for you. I appreciate the encouragement and all the comments and the communication and the likes that you all have been giving. That really is a lot of encouragement to me and keeps me going. If you've liked this video, would you drop a like down there? As always, hit the subscribe button. Check out my website for services that I offer, and you can also search for the template in X11 that I'm selling. Quick note, that sale $10 off coupon subscribe is only good until this Thursday. Yes. So take advantage of that $10 coupon subscribe. Until next time, take care.